Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. If you're new around here, my name is Dhruva. I am a 4th year student at BITS Pilani Goa campus. I'm actually making this video from my hostel room. I know that right now you have so many different exams going on. If you're watching this video, it's probably during or after your board exams, and now you are juggling between all these different exams that you plan to give, like JEE Main second attempt, BITSAT, JEE Advanced, VIT there is Manipal entrance test, all of the other exams that you plan to give. This reminded me of my time back in 2021 when I was also in the same spot as you are right now. And during those times, I had some realizations and some learnings which a lot of students don't get during their preparation. Eventually, they end up not performing at their level best, not getting the maximum output out of their 2 years. So, when I was scrolling through the comment section of my videos, as well as so many other videos, I came across a very big problem that students are facing. That is which exam they should focus on. Should they be focusing on JEE Main or should they be focusing on JEE Advanced? And I thought that I should actually make a video about it because I was going through the same thing. A couple of realizations that I had, a couple of learnings that I had actually helped me to make a decision and helped me get to the place where I am today. So as you read in the title, in this video, I want to share my personal experience of all these entrance exams. Why did I choose to leave JEE Prep for BITSAT? Has it really helped me, and do I really regret taking that decision, or am I proud of it? Firstly, I would like to tell you a little bit about my background. So I was born and raised in Goa. So I did my entire schooling in Goa itself. At the start of my 11th standard, I did not really understand the value of time and the value of this entire preparation journey. So my 11th as well as like half of my 12th standard was only spent on doing mediocre study. I was not someone who was a topper. I was just an average student. Because I did not understand the importance of getting into a great college, I was always not really keen about studying and not really keen about making into a great college. Of course, I watched all these great videos on YouTube about IITs, about the life at IITs, a lot of IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi vlogs, which I am sure even you watch, and that really made me a fanboy, and it made me feel like I should be studying at one of these institutes because it's gonna get me so much more respect, opportunities, a great brand value, right? I mean, who would not want to be from one of these great colleges? But at the end of my 12th standard, when I gave my JEE Main first attempt, I was not satisfied with the result. Coming from a small town of Goa, I realized how competitive the country is and how much of a bubble I was living in, because I was never really, into competitive exams, and I had never experienced this much competition in my life. So at the end of my 12th standard, when, it was, I think January 2021, February 2021, I gave my first attempt of JEE and did not perform up to my expectations. जब मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे जो मार्क्स आए हैं उससे मुझे एक बहुत अच्छे tier 1 कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं मिलने वाला, I was shattered and I was really sad. I started to just waste time, watch random motivational YouTube videos and not really take action to make a difference. But थोड़े दिनों बाद मैंने एक्चुअली सोचा कि भाई मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ लाइफ में. अब थोड़े ही दिनों में there will be boards, थोड़े ही दिनों में there will be all these other exams, प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस के, बिटसैट हो गया, फिर JEE एडवांस्ड हो गया, एंड मैं सिर्फ बैठ के टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस आई शुड एक्चुअली बी थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू नेक्स्ट, टेक अ डिसीजन एंड एक्ट अपॉन इट, राइट? सो मैं ना थोड़े दिनों के लिए एकदम ऐसे एक थॉट प्रोसेस में चला गया, एक डिफरेंट जोन में चला गया, एंड मैंने ये सोचना स्टार्ट किया कि मैंने JEE की तैयारी स्टार्ट क्यों की थी. व्हाई डिड आई स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर JEE इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस? व्हाट वाज माय ऑब्जेक्टिव? व्हाट वाज माय गोल बिहाइंड स्टार्टिंग दिस एंटायर प्रिपरेशन? इन 2-3 दिनों में मैंने ऐसी 2 चीजें रियलाइज की जिन्होंने मेरी पूरी आंखें खोल दी, एंड इट मेड मी रियलाइज आई वाज मेकिंग अ major mistake in my life, and if I do not make things straight as soon as possible, late हो जाएगा, and eventually I will have to study in a local college, study in an environment which I never wanted to be in. अब ये 2 चीजें रियलाइज करने में भले ही मुझे बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स लगे, बहुत सारा टाइम लगा, एंड इतनी सारी एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करने के बाद मुझे ये पता चला. But I want to tell that to you in the next couple of minutes, so that instead of wasting time like I did, you can actually learn from it and take action after this वीडियो. फर्स्टली तो मैंने ये चीज रियलाइज करी कि मैंने JEE प्रिपरेशन इसलिए स्टार्ट की थी सो दैट आई कैन गेट इनटू अ ग्रेट कॉलेज. इट वाज नेवर अबाउट जस्ट गेटिंग इनटू IIT बॉम्बे और गेटिंग इनटू लेट्स से NIT Trichy. माय एंटायर मोटिव वाज टू चैलेंज माई सेल्फ एंड टू मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ माई पोटेंशियल. हाँ, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि यू शुड नॉट बी टारगेटिंग फॉर IIT बॉम्बे और ऑल दीज टॉप IITs, but what I mean to say is that sometimes it is important to understand that you have limited time. Your goal is to make the maximum output in that remaining time. Instead of just getting distracted and procrastinating about things and just dreaming about things, you need to be practical कि हाउ कैन आई मेक द मैक्सिमम आउटपुट इन द टाइम दैट आई हैव. सो मेरे लिए JEE प्रिपरेशन वाज अ गेम to get to your best potential. It was not about getting into a particular college or a particular branch. It was basically ki how can I challenge myself? How can I go out of my comfort zone and make the best potential possible? So when I realized this thing, my head was automatically really free. I did not feel that stress and tension aspirants go through कि मुझे इस particular college में ही जाना है, मुझे IIT बॉम्बे के मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट में ही जाना है, मुझे AIR under 1000 ही लाना है. And I felt very free that I can finally take a decision for myself and not really make myself bounded to a particular college or something. Now my goal completely changed from just getting into an IIT or NIT to getting into a college that is in my best potential in the remaining time. Trust me, this feeling was very comforting. But some things that helped me make this decision was self-confidence, that once I joined college, I will definitely make something of my life and make an impact. The second thing was the support of my parents. They never really, forced me to study for IIT and JEE Advanced. They were supportive of the fact that I want to do something else in life and I am just looking to grow as an individual and not just crack an exam. So all of this was the first thing that actually made a difference in my life and changed my perspective towards preparation. The second thing was the fact that I am from Goa. So Goa में जो NIT है उसका नाम NIT Goa है. And NITs में because home state reservation होता है, even if I wanted to get into a good branch in NIT Goa, which is a new NIT and does not really have that much of a brand value, I would have to get at least 97 percentile. Scoring 99 percentile in 1 or 2 months of JEE preparation felt impractical, and I thought कि instead of being in that delusion, जैसे आज के दिन में delulu बोलते हैं, I decided कि I need to get out of this bubble and I need to make a decision to study for BITSAT. अगर मैंने उस समय पे peer pressure की वजह से, मेरे जो टीचर्स हैं उनके प्रेशर की वजह से आई कंटिन्यू टू स्टडी फॉर JEE, आई वुड हैव टू स्टडी इन अ मिड और न्यू NIT एंड वुड नेवर गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज लाइक आई डिड एट BITS Pilani. So instead of just being in this race of clearing JEE, you should actually think about yourself and your personal choices from college. कि what do you expect from a college, what are your wants from a college, and उसके हिसाब से तुम एक डिसीजन लो, ताकि जब तुम उस कॉलेज में जाओ, जब तुम उस एनवायरनमेंट में जाओ, तो तुम खुश रहो एंड तुम्हें एक बेस्ट आउटपुट मिले. बाकी ऑफ कोर्स अगर तुम BITSAT की प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हो तो BITSAT मतलब फोडू क्लब. दिस ईयर वी हैव आल्सो लॉन्च्ड अ क्रैश कोर्स एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर BITSAT एंड इट्स मेड बाय सो मेनी एक्सपीरियंस टीचर्स, सो मेनी एक्सपीरियंस BITSians. इस क्रैश कोर्स में बेसिकली यू गेट डिटेल्ड लेक्चर्स, मॉक टेस्ट, मेंटरशिप बाय BITSians. हमने जो प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स हैं वो हमने मेमोरी बेस्ड निकाले हैं फ्रॉम आवर एक्स स्टूडेंट्स हु गॉट इनटू BITS. सो वो मिलेंगे तुम्हें, चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट भी मिलेंगे, एंड देयर इज एन इंग्लिश एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का कोर्स which is made by someone who scored 80 plus out of 90 in that particular section. So you can definitely check that out if you are preparing for BITSAT. But apart from that, I think it's more important to do a self introspection. Write everything down कि तुम्हारे priorities क्या है and why did you start your JEE preparation. It sounds थोड़ा dreamy, but trust me, once you get it done, you actually feel very comforted and very free. Ultimately, life is a long term game, तो हमको भी उसको as a long term game and long term investment देखना पड़ेगा, because शॉर्ट टर्म की तरह खेलोगे तो मे बी शॉर्ट टर्म में तुम खुश रहोगे, बट उसके बाद यू विल मे बी रिग्रेट योर डिसीजन एंड द चॉइसेस दैट यू मेड. ओके, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. आई होप यू लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू वांट मी टू शेयर एनी मोर experiences and talk about some other issues that you're facing, and I will definitely try to address them in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video and all the best for your preparation.